So we are going with today rain lesson question answers. In that, the first very important question is that what is that means? If it is raining in a village, you don't find in another village. Why do you think it happens so? We will have in one particular place. Now in Hyderabad itself, we will tell that in Amirpet it is raining heavily, but we cannot find that in Dilshuknagar. What is that? In the same place, in Dilshuknagar we are not having rain, but we are having in Amirpet. Okay, we are not having in Amirpet, but we are having in Jubilee Hills. What is this difference? Why it is happening? That one we are going to see now. The first question is, if it is raining in a village, you don't find in another village why do you think it is happening so? So for this answer, so please see here. So here it is given that if it is raining in a village, you do not find in another village. Why do you think it is happening so? So clouds are responsible for forming the rain. What are responsible for forming the rain? Clouds. So clouds are responsible for rain, but all clouds do not cause the rain. All clouds do not cause the rain. Clouds move from one place to another. Because of the wind direction, in which way the wind blows, the clouds will move in that direction. So the clouds moves from one place to another. In this moment, when the clouds get cooled and causes rain, the cloud should become dark black in color or grey in color. When the cool breezes touches, it will rain. Then if the clouds does not cool, then there will be no rains. So it is raining in a village, there may be no rains in another village. So if the clouds are not cool, if they did not change into grey color or black color, then we will say that there in that particular places it will not rain. But if it happens like that, in that particular places it will rain. Did you understand that? How it happens? The next question is, if condensation fails to occur in nature, what happens? If condensation fails, we know that in water cycle, evaporation and condensation are very, very important. If condensation fails, what will happen is the question. Now, let us see what will happen. If condensation fails to occur in nature, what happens? For this answer, condensation means the process of conversion of water vapor into water. Condensation fails to occur in nature means water vapor will not convert into the water. If it happens, then there will be no rains in nature. Water on the earth disappears by evaporation. So the earth will dry up after some period. So please see here, very important answer. If condensation fails to work in nature, what will happen? Condensation means the process of conversion of water vapor into water. What is the process? The condensation means the process of conversion of water into water vapor into water. Condensation fails to occur in nature means water vapor will not convert into water. Okay, and if it happens, then there will be no rains in nature. Then if there are no rains, what will happen? Water bodies all will become empty. Okay, why? Because the water gets evaporated, and if there is no rainfall, the water will be going on evaporating, and if there is no condensation, it won't come down. So finally, what will be left over? Only dry earth will be left over. Water on the earth disappears by the evaporation, so the earth will dry up after some period of time. Did you catch this point? Now next answer is, how do you appreciate the contribution of water cycle in making water available for various needs of plants and animals? Shall we go with that one? The third question. How do you appreciate the contribution of the water cycle in making water available for various needs of plants and animals. So answer for this one. First point. Water cycle is responsible for the continuous existence of surface water and groundwater. Second one, surface water and groundwater are essential for various vital activities in our day-to-day lives. Water cycle also maintains the level of moisture in the earth. So, how do we appreciate it? If anyone are doing good things, what we will do? We will appreciate it. So, in the same way, how do we appreciate the contribution of the water cycle in making water available for various needs of plants and animals? Water cycle is responsible for the continuous existence of surface water and groundwater. Surface water and groundwater are essential for various vital activities. For what purpose? In our day-to-day lives, water cycle also maintains the level of moisture in the air. In which way water cycle is useful for us? Water cycle is responsible for the continuous existence of surface water and groundwater. Second point, surface water and groundwater are essential for various vital activities in our day-to-day life. Third one is water cycle also maintains the level of moisture in the air. So with this, our answers are completed and tomorrow I will continue. Thank you.